Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on the pedicure that I did at home. The product that I have used is just for 145 rupees, and I used it for the first time and I'm quite impressed. Also, I know a lot of us really don't care about our feet. I am someone who never used to go for pedicures. I have never gone rather for pedicures, but now that I have got this product in my hand, I think I don't need to actually. And especially in winters, our feet tend to get really flaky and dry, so it's a great product to have in winters. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so one of my recent purple hauls, I mentioned this kit by Alps Goodness, and I had a lot of variants in that. So this is the product that I'm going to talk about in today's video. Not sponsored by Alps Goodness, and even if it was sponsored, my opinion wouldn't have changed. Anyway, so the variant is called Sea Salt Exfoliating Manicure and Pedicure Kit. So you can use this on your hands and on your feet both, but since I get my gel manicure done, I don't have to really go for manicure, so I went for pedicure this time. Also, there is a wedding coming up in my house, so I obviously wanted my feet to look pretty. So this kit comes for just 145 rupees, and there are 5 sachets inside this. Now the only thing I don't like about this product is that the packaging is like this, so you have to use it up in the first use itself, because you can't just store these things because they will get contaminated. However, the quantity is a lot. Like, this sachet is really big, and you can use this on your hands and on your feet. Like, 2 people can use this on their hands and feet, so that's a really great thing. I mean, 145 rupees mein agar 2 log ka ho raha hai, so that's a really good thing. And the steps are pretty clear actually. Sab likha hua hai yahan pe, step 1, step 2, step 3 till 5. So let's just start. So the first step is to dissolve the powder in warm water. So I took the bucket and I just poured everything that was there in the sachet, and it was a blue color, really pretty color, and just dissolved that in the bucket, and I was just soaking my feet for around 15 minutes in that water. After that, I also trimmed my nails and also polished them with a buffer. So after the first step, the second step was the cuticle cream that you're supposed to put on the nails, like the cuticles of your nails. So what is a cuticle? Basically, this is your cuticle, the skin where your nail actually grows from. So that is the area which gets really dry and flaky in winters. So you have to focus the cream on your cuticle and just massage your cuticles for some time. It also says that use a cuticle pusher to just push the cuticle a little up. So I didn't have that, but I just used my nails to push the cuticle. Be careful when you do that, do not hurt your cuticle. So when you push the cuticle a little bit, it helps to grow the nail. Step 3 was to massage the scrub over damp hands and feet for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse with water, wipe dry. Now while I was exfoliating with the scrub itself, I also used the pumice stone that I had. Now you can find this in any Big Bazaar or D-Mart store, and I just scrub my heel with it. It will take care of the dead skin on your heel and prevent your heels from getting cracks. After this step, I genuinely saw like results. Like, my feet were looking really brighter and softer, and they were also looking very clean. So yeah, a big thumbs up. After this step, I was really impressed by this product. Let's move to the fourth step, and that was to massage the cream into your hands or your feet. So this was like a nourishing cream, and the smell of this cream was really good. Like, it was really refreshing and felt like spa. So I just massaged the cream all over my feet, and the great part was that it was not sticky whatsoever. It just got absorbed in my skin really quickly. After that comes the fifth part, and that was the mud mask. I was really impressed that Alps Goodness is giving so much in such a less price, because mud masks are generally expensive, and the quantity is also a lot. So I just used that mud mask all over my feet till my ankles, and I just let it dry for some time. The smell was really bad, you guys. I can't even explain, but it's okay. And after the mask was dry, I just washed it off, pat dry my feet, and then I went with my favorite nail polish. Now you can use whichever nail polish that you like, and yeah, I just finished the pedicure with that, and this was the end result. And honestly, you guys, I felt really good, and I'm pretty sure my feet are thanking me for this, and it is actually needed, especially in winters. So if you are someone who's looking for a pamper session at home for your mother or your sister or for yourself, just go for this. They have a lot of variants. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. Okay, so now that our pedicure is successfully completed, now it's time for me to give the verdict. If you guys ask me, I will give a big thumbs up from my side. I really want you guys to buy this and see the results, and just do this once a month. Pros are that the product is having a lot of variance in that. It's just for 145 rupees. The quantity is a lot. Con, I would say, is that the packaging, if they would have given some containers, I would have been happy. But otherwise, the product is really good. So yeah, a big thumbs up from my side. I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.